Kamusta mga balibulista? Tinalo ng Signal HD Spikers ang Zeus Thunderbirds 25-18, 29-27, 21-25, 25-22. Best player of the game si MG Perez sa likod ng kanyang 30 points mula sa 26 attacks, 1 block at 3 aces. Pinataob naman ng Akari Chargers ang Chocomocho Flying Titans 18-25, 16-25, 25-21, 25-23, 15-13. Best player of the game si Oli Ocaro matapos nagtala ng 38 points mula sa 33 attacks, 2 blocks at 3 aces. Wagi naman ang Capital One Solar Spikers kontra sa Petrogas Angels 26-24, 25-20, 25-18. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Marina Toshoba matapos humakot ng 24 points mula sa 23 attacks at 1 ace. Nagtala naman ng 15 excellent sets si Iris Tolinada. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings as of July 23, 2024. Para sa Pool A, Cheritigo Crossovers 2 win 0 loss 6 points. PLDT High Speed Hitters 2 win 0 loss 5 points. Creamline Coal Smashers 1 win 1 loss 4 points. NX Lead Chameleons 1 win 1 loss 2 points. Galleries Tower High Racers 0 win 2 losses 1 point. Farmers 0 win 2 losses 0 point. Sa Pool B naman, Signal HD Spikers 2 win 0 loss 6 points. Akari Chargers 2 win 0 loss 5 points. Capital One Solar Spikers 1 win 1 loss 3 points. Petrogas Angels 1 win 1 loss 3 points. Chocomocho Flying Titans 0 win 2 losses 1 point. Zeus Thunderbirds 0 win 2 losses 0 point. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang mga laro ngayong July 25, 2024 na gaganapin sa Phil Sports Arena. Sa first game, maglalaban ang Farm Fresh kontra sa PLDT High Speed Hitters alauna ng hapon. Sa second game, magtutos ang Creamline Coal Smashers at NX Lead Chameleons alas 3 ng hapon. At sa main game naman, maglalaban ang Galleries Tower High Racers at Cheritigo Crossovers alas 5 ng hapon. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.